think that you could identify somebody's sexual preference based on the way that they sound?
There's a possibility, but it's all an assumption.
Sure.
Possible.
Not sure. I've never tried. I don't think there's a specific lesbian voice, so to say.
No.
I don't know. I mean, like, I know a lot of lesbians have different sounding voices.
I've heard some that are obvious and some that aren't, but for the most part, no, I don't think I could.
Okay.
I've always been pretty bad about it.
Yes.
I have 5 friends here, and one of them is a lesbian. I need you to choose the lesbian based on the way that they sound. Now we're going to control for content, okay? They're each going to say the same line. Consider the timbre of their voice, the tenor, the tone. There's a lesbian in here, and let's find him. I need you each to say Birkenstocks. I never leave the house without chapstick. Get out and stay out. I do not look like Justin Bieber. I have a telepathic relationship with my ex-girlfriend. There is cat hair on my vibrator. My favorite store is Home Depot.
My favorite store is Home Depot.
My favorite store is Home Depot. My favorite store is Home Depot.
My favorite store is Home Depot.
My favorite store is Home Depot.
Can you tell me, based on the way that they spoke, which one of them is gay?
No, but I'll take a guess.
No. I cannot.
No,
Oh my gosh, I just feel this is so unpolitically correct.
You're going to make me insult one of them? That's not very nice.
An insult? Whoa, back up.
Well, I really, really don't know, but I'll choose her. That's just somehow the vibe I got.
Oh jeez, I don't know. On the end here.
Why did you choose Danielle?
Honestly, she was making eye contact and looking like not like that, not like that.
Danielle was making gay eye contact.
You.
Why did you choose me?
I don't know. It was a wild guess. I don't believe that you can judge based on the voice. That seems strange to me. It's this very bizarre idea.
Oh, okay. You chose Genevieve. Now tell me, what about her voice indicated that she was gay?
Just the sound.
I'm gonna say you're the gay one. I think there was a little anger. Maybe she's been told that before.
I do not look like Justin Bieber.
That's just assumption on my part. I don't know.
Number 2?
Okay, you chose Sophia. What about her delivery sounds gay to you?
Oh, I don't know. She's saying it nice and boldly.
So a bold delivery suggests lesbianism,
I'm
maybe.
No, I'm not asserting that.
Oh, okay. It's just maybe she is gay.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit. Why did you pick Genevieve?
Something about the way she said it, it just seemed a little bit more assertive.
And that translates as gay to you.
It's out of the ordinary. I wouldn't say it's necessarily gay, but it's out of the ordinary.
So confidence for women is out of the ordinary.
Based on the way they sound?
Yeah.
She's gay.
Why do you think Danielle sounded gay?
The inflection, the way she pronounces the stuff. She likes to take charge of stuff.
Okay, bye. Let's do a recap.
Are we not telling them that at the end?
I think
Should
we
we
should
tell them?
everyone that we're all
They
gay.
need to have their
They
minds
need to know.
blown. Because when they're gonna say something like that, like
Yeah.
they need to have a moment.
They're all lesbians.
You got me.
Great.
Great. Okay.
That's amazing. We're gay too.
No, I wouldn't have known, to be honest.
I'm surprised about her. I'm surprised about her. I'm surprised about her too.
I don't know. I wouldn't have figured that.
Does it make sense now?
I don't know. No.
You gay too?
I'm gay too.
Damn. So no chance for guys like us?
At this point in our lives, we all know that we're not straight.
We'd like to affirm our queerness. It's important to us.
We're not offended. Like, we're not bummed about it.
Isn't it a free world? I mean, you got to express yourself the way you are, right? I mean, we're all individuals, so whatever your preference is, good for you, man. That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
No, of course.
Thank you so much. That was very sweet of you.
Thank you. No, that's awesome. Congrats, you guys. Can I shake your hands?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. You're so cool.
Thank you for playing. Have a beautiful day.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so
Hey,
much.
good luck, guys.
I want people to constantly shake my hands to confirm.
Congratulations. you're gay. And that's awesome. That was the best interaction I've ever had with a stranger.
This is like a movement. So what are you guys doing?
Yeah, this is a movement. This is known as the Gay Agenda.
You have a website?
The website is called pride.com.